If you are watching this, you probably just got this error. In this video you learn why this error occurs and how to solve it.
Here is class employee. It takes and stores a name and salary. I create a list of employees. What happens when I sort the list? Boom! There is your error. What is Python telling you here? Why is the less than operator involved? What exactly needs to be smaller than what? Think about what Python needs to do to sort a list. First, Python needs to know if it needs to sort on name or salary. Let's say you want to sort on name. Usually this is done alphabetically. That means that A is considered less than B, and B is considered less than C. Actually, the less than operator is the key to sort in Python. All objects in sortable lists need to support this operator. And according to the error message, the employee class does not support it yet. But I will fix this. To support the less than operator, I need to implement dunder less than. Notice this method takes a second employee object to compare to. The sorted function will take care of comparing all objects against each other. All I need to do is specify to sort on name. Since string objects do implement the less than operator, I can use it here. Watch what happens when I execute the code. The error is gone. Let me print the sorted list. Yep, that works. And what if I want to sort on salary? You have guessed it. And now the list is sorted on salary.
At this point you might have one question. How does Python connect the sorted function, the less than operator and dunder less than? It is of course the Python data model that makes this possible. And if you want to know how that works, click on this video right now. There you learn about the magic behind Pythonic code.